Today is Thursday, August 29th, 2019. And today we are making my famous zucchini casserole. So you get yourself some zucchinis and you chop them up like so. And then you put a little bit of sauce in the bottom of a pan. I happen to be doing something a little bit different. This salsa tasted like pasta sauce to me. So I put it in the bottom of the pan and it has just a little bit of zing to it. All right, now once you have a layer of zucchini, you want to liberally apply a healthy portion of protein. I've got, well, it's taco meat, because I make it all the time. Once you have a good portion of meat on there, you don't have to use it all. Go ahead and liberally apply your mozzarella. Now at this point, your mozzarella is literally and figuratively holding together the ingredients. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of marinara, just a tad, just to add a little bit of flavor in the middle. And I'm just going to work it around a little bit with the special spatulator. And then you want to add some more zucchini. It's like, you know, Emma Lagasse style. Bam! Gee, and just like that, you got some zucchinis. I'm going to put a little bit more sauce on. Light, very light. I'm going to spread that all around. Then at this point, you want to cook up some sausage. Do a little choppy chop. And then take your freshly chopulated sausage. Distribute evenly across the surface of your delicious zucchini thing. You need more cheese. Oops. Just a light amount of cheese for this layer. And then some more taco meat. As far as the taco meat, I think the spices I used chili, some salt, a little bit of chipotle pepper. Did not use that. A very light amount of cayenne, a lot of garlic, some pepper, and some smoked paprika. I'm gonna put some more of these on there. This stuff's good. Badia crushed red pepper. Just because I am a spicy kind of guy, and I like it a little spicy, because it's a tasty, tasty treat that you take to lunch, and people compliment you on your lunch, but you take the same thing to work every day, so you gotta spice it up. Yeah. I got so much on the counter. A little bit of sauce. Love this stuff. It's like $2 a bottle. Alright, well, I have some extra. So I'm just going to put it on the best that we can. And we got to put the rest of the zucchinis on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There, that's about the best we're going to get. And now we're going to cheeselate it a lot. We got some fresh mozzarella. And then you want to just evenly distribute your cheeses. You know, get a decent amount of coverage going on. Not crazy. Just an even distribution. You're going to melt it all nicey nice. By the way, I hope you have your oven on preheat for 350 degrees like I do. Because otherwise, you should do that right now. And then continue cheeselating. Cheeselation, so tasty. Making sure that that cheese is where it needs to be. Needs to be in my mouth. Needs to be. Tasty piece of cheese. And finally, one more very light saucing and a little bit of distribution with the brushy brush. Just a little bit. Just adds a little bit of color to the top. And we're gonna want to put it in the oven anyway to get it browned up at the very end. Give it a little crisp. But we're gonna put it in the oven for, well, until you feel comfortable, but generally I put it in for at least a half hour. 350.
And here we go. Oh, it's very heavy.
Okay. 30 minutes later, you've got a delicious snack. Now put it in your belly. This is going to be a pain to clean.